I've already made a lollipop video, but I have these brand new molds, so I'm going to make more lollipops but with a different recipe. This recipe is from Loranne oils from their website, and that's 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup water, and 2/3 cups corn syrup. Stir it up. Wipe down the sides with a wet paper towel so that the sugar doesn't crystallize. And we're going to keep stirring this gently until the sugar is dissolved. This time I'm using watermelon flavor by Loranne oils, and I'll be using red food coloring. You'll need a candy thermometer to check the temperature, or I use this laser one. It's not ready yet. Prepare your molds by putting a little oil on your finger and rubbing it in there. I don't know if that's necessary or not. Have the stick portion go halfway through your lollipop. Take about 15 minutes to get to the 300 degrees. Let's add your flavoring. It'll steam up a little bit. And the red food coloring. You can start pouring the lollipops now, but if you're going to add citric acid, you need to wait until the temperature is below 265 degrees. Okay, this is about 260 degrees, so I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of citric acid. And you want to add it at less than 265 degrees or the citric acid will burn. This is an example of losing control. But you can just knock off those extra bits. So lollipops are pretty easy to make, and they're pretty inexpensive because they're basically sugar, corn syrup, and water, and whatever flavoring that you want to add. The citric acid is optional, but it gives it a nice sour flavor because some of the flavors are not that great on their own. You can wrap these up in little plastic baggies with a little ribbon, and they make cute little gifts. Great for Valentine's Day or any holiday. Thanks for watching.